Is that how far we jumped last time?
No.
You could jump like right here, right?
Yeah.
Where the pipe is. Jump where the pipe is.
Don't hurt yourself.
Huh?
Don't hurt yourself, please.
Alright, are you ready?
No.
Yes, you are. Yeah.
Are you gonna go first?
You go first.
No, I
Yeah.
don't know.
You have to.
Lucas, they went already.
You went yesterday.
We'll jump in right after you. I don't remember that.
Lucas. Hey!
Guys.
Hey, it was your idea.
That's great.
Come on. Come on, guys.
Holy shit.
Come on, Riley.